In this next tutorial, I want to take you through the communication and course tools over on your left-hand side. Let's go over to communication and click on it, and this will bring up a list of items that might be different for each course, but you'll notice that we have our announcements here, collaboration, discussion board, roster, and currently send email. Some of the common places that you might go to are the discussion board and the send email. In the discussion board, right now there's a coffee house forum, and this is a great place for you to be able to discuss different assignments or other things with other students and the instructor in your course. If you click on the forum that you want to go into, and if you want to add a new thread, you can click on thread at the very top, and I'll add a subject that says icebreaker assignment help. And I'll add a little bit of information here, and of course I'm not typing out anything in particular, but when I've typed out my question that I might want to send the instructor or to other people in the class, I can go ahead and hit submit at the bottom right, and that will allow other people to comment on that particular thread. I'm going to go ahead and click cancel because I don't want to do that. I'm going to go back to communication and go to email. In the email section, you have the ability to email other users in your group or other users in your course, as well as the instructor. If you click on all instructor users, you'll see that this will email directly to Veronica Dooley, and it actually has your email, who it's coming from. That's my email currently. And you'll want to put in a subject that is very detailed, as well as a message, such as icebreaker assignment help. And you'll say, Dear Mrs. Dooley, I would like to ask about page 34 of the book assignment. Now, the reason that I typed this out was to say that it's very important that you give your instructors exact details about what page or what assignment that you're asking about, because often they don't know exactly what the question might pertain to unless they have a really detailed reference. It also is sometimes nice to attach a file if you have a particular file that's having an issue. You can click on attach a file and then browse to that file on your computer to be able to submit to the instructor in that email. When you are finished with your email, and make sure that you go ahead and put your name at the end, you can hit submit, and that will send that email to your instructor. I'm going to hit cancel because I'm not going to be sending them one. Other things that you might find in the course tools over on the left-hand side are going to be your grades. So here we have a calendar, address book, personal information, grades, and user manual. The user manual can help you learn more about using Blackboard. Personal information will allow you to change things such as your personal information, your email address, your phone number, or things like that, as well as you can change your password if needed. Let's go back to tools, and one of the places you'll definitely want to go is My Grades. Now, I mentioned this in the last tutorial as well, just so you know that it's there when you submit your assignments. But you can always see the assignments that you've posted as well as the grades that you've been given. If you have a red exclamation point, it means that your instructor knows that you've submitted that assignment and it's waiting to be graded. If you have a grade, you can click on the grade and you'll be able to see comments if they've given you any about that assignment. You'll notice that you have different point values in the assignment, and at the very bottom you'll have a running total of how many points that you've earned, and you can divide how many points you've earned by the total number of points you could earn to find out what your grade is at any time. And you'll find your final grade in Web Advisor at the end of the course. And I think that's it. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoy your course.